everyone, welcome back to another brand new video. Now today in this video we're playing Animal Evolve Simulator. Now I have played this game in my other accounts, but I haven't played it on this account. So today I'm going to be trying to become bigger than Godzilla, possibly. Which I don't think that's possible in one day. So attack to evolve. And /A. What is that supposed to mean? Okay. I'm a worm. Did that just... Oh my... Did he just one shot? Okay. Yeah. Wow, 2 XP. Why is that so slow? 3,000 years later. Yeah, no, I'm done. And there are... So I heard that there are some... of these that can actually attack you. The big mushrooms, no, they cannot do no damage. But the bigger you are, the harder they get stronger. What? That makes no sense. You know what I'm talking about. Don't act dumb. Okay, can you guys 2 times speed this video just in case? I'm killing a big mushroom after that. We auto attack. Oh, son of. Alright, and it's killed. Oh wait, did I evolve? I'm a hot dog. Ew, did you see that movement? Oh, what is that? Oh my, huge radius? What is that range? Bro, that's the biggest range I have ever seen. I can attack 2 in 1. Wait, no. Get out of the way, I'm trying to eat this mushroom. Only 2 damage. Why does it still say level 0 at the bottom? Who cares? Alright, 3,000 years later. So we're just gonna ignore the fact, that the name of this mushroom is literally called mushroom. Like what? Like there's so many, like that one big mushroom. At least you could have called this. Actually, don't know. Okay, fine. You beat me this time. Or do you? You could have called it a jellyfish mushroom. I mean, it does kind of look like a jellyfish if you ask me. And there we go. Now it is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bam! All that just for 12 XP. Yeah, bro, not worth it. That was the biggest scam. Yo, shift lock. Finally a good game that has shift lock. The games that I want them to have shift lock don't even have it, like Build a Boat. Like Build a Boat, you literally have to enable it yourself. I'm a snail. How am I walking? I'm supposed to be slow. Wait. If I can 5 hit this guy, doesn't that mean I can 20 hit this guy? Yeah, no, that's kind of dumb. So today my goal is to basically become big enough to, like, basically eat polar bears, lions, and even maybe, just maybe, an elephant. Yeah, I don't think that one's happening. I feel like the final one that I can eat is either the Bloop or El Gran Maha or maybe Godzilla. Listen, I have watched too many fights of those three. I could literally make a comedy about out of it. There, he's dead. Now I want to look for something stronger. I hate being slow. 100 health? Wait, can I just attack his eggs? Nest. More like a pest. And listen, if you ask me, this is not a nest. This is a dead bush, actually. According to my calculations, because it is green. I'm pretty sure the hedgehog can fight. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think he can actually attack because does he have like a security safe system or something? I don't know, like those spikes. Oh, I'm evolving to what is this? An alligator? A baby? This is a baby turtle. Oh my god! I actually do. Wait, it attacks me? Oh no, mate! You have the biggest range in human history. What was that? Nah, explain right now. What was that? You guys saw it. I was a million miles away. And 3 hits left. Wait, 2. 1. Sayonara, sucker. I'm a rat? Hopefully I don't become a pig. But I do 12 damage? Yo, that's sick! I can 3-shot this guy. 1 XP lower. Disappointment! Will this give me enough? Probably not. I'm not even the size of that big mushroom. Like, I want to become the size of that. Let's attack the nest. Since we're now stronger by a bit. Wait, we have stats? We can upgrade those? Oh wait, no, we cannot. And he is dead, and now I'm actually a rat. I think I'm dead. Oh, come on, that was actually kind of close. That was kind of close. Sayonara, sucker. Die. Die. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm a chicken. Back. 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 14 damage. Oh no, I think I'm dead. Sucker. Now there has to be something stronger, right? Maybe something waiting for me? Maybe a polar bear? Maybe a mountain lion? Maybe a cheetah? Who knows? Wait, let me just kill one more nest. Or actually, for desperate measures. Okay, actually, no. Wait, chill. What? How did he reach me from over there? What on earth was that? Just keep clicking, just keep clicking, just keep clicking until your fingers die. Just keep clicking until your fingers die. Yeah, I know, very happy song. I don't even get that much good stuff. Yo, imagine dying to a chicken. Imagine dragon. I'm now a rabbit. Wait. Yoing. Yoing. Num 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 num. 15 attack damage. That is not bad. But I see some other creatures behind the... Wait, can I get a peek out? Oh wait, that's a nest. Oh. Polar bears. Actual flippin' polar bears. Small wild bears? Those are not small. Those are regular size. 100 and... Yo, I'm attacking you. And there ain't nothing you can do about it, mate. How did a... The rabbit is weaker than the turtle! Nom nom nom. And I evolved. I am the chosen one. I am small, but strong. Hey! Yeah, I'm out, G! Haha, you can't attack me. Yeah, because I ran away. Okay, and adios. Hello, I come back for revenge. I just want to evolve and see what's next. How much does this even give me? 175. If I keep doing this, I might actually become strong enough to kill one of those polar bears. But I think just because I'm a hedgehog, like the others, doesn't mean I can kill them. Okay, there we go. Should I fight him? Nah. If my calculations are correct, this means I'll evolve. Oh, come on, it's like the same thing. You're dead, boy! What is this? Hey, 20 damage is 20 damage. I ain't complaining. 20 damage is 20 damage. I don't give a damn. 20 damage is a 20 damage. But I don't think I can kill the polar bears. So today my goal is to kill the polar bear. That's not a polar. And he is a bear. So funny. Oh my gosh, it can actually kill me. Oh my gosh, no. Yo. Even you can kill me, and you're the weakest mob here. Besides the mushroom. Why you bully me? Hey, that is facts. Why you bully me? How? How was that possible? What the Sigma? Okay, that was so cringe. I can 10-shot this guy. Or this thing. Whatever you want to call it. Object. Yeah, object. Yeah, that's what... I know that sounds ridiculous. Just don't quote me on that. One-time offer. 10,000... Whatever. The only thing you're gonna be quote offering is your death. And you're dead. And another nest for desperate measures. Oh, hello, dumb bear. But that ain't no bear. That's a bull. Ain't no way you're telling me a small bear has flippin' horns. Did you see that guy? Why do I do 20 damage and not 25? A snake. 40 damage! I think I can kill him. I'm confident. I'm confident. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Okay, actually I'm not confident. I am not confident. I am so sorry. I am so sorry. You know what? It's revenge time. Boah! Yum yum. Wow, instant one shot. I cannot jump! Oh my gosh. I had to use my tail. That's how fat is a snake. What a racist. Hey, I'm not the one who said. Oh my gosh, and I got upgraded. Into a Ohio cat! Let me see how much damage he does. I was about to say, if he doesn't do at least 50 damage, this is a disappointment. But looks like I found a jackpot. This thing can two-shot a hedgehog. Like, wow! And then can three-shot a nest. Yeah, I'm killing everything. Making my way downtown. I am, actually. 1, 2, and dead. Also, I just realized it's moving by itself. It wants me to jump. Bro, when rabbits jump, you'll be like, is it a bird? Is it a plane? No! It's a rabbit! That's how high jump. That's how high. I'm an alligator. See you later, sucker. And bruh, I cannot even one-shot that hedgehog. If I want to have a chance on killing that wild polar bear, then I need to at least do like 150, 120 damage. And is there like any weaker mobs that I can possibly kill? Oh no, it's only the polar bears. Oh, there's a lot of nests, so I'll just kill the nest. I want to two-shot the nest. No, 3-shot it. And you might be asking, why don't you just kill it and then, like, why don't you, like, make him almost dead? And then when you die, you come back and then you kill him and do that? No! I make my rules hard. POV me inside my room, quiet. POV me with my friends. The neighborhood shaking. That's actually facts. Now, what is after an alligator? Now, there is a theory about alligators. And it's, see you later, alligator. The last time I have said that was 3 years ago. 3 years and 2 months and 35 days and 5 hours. Yes, I calculated it with my big brain. Shut up. I evolved. What am I? No, you're not the chosen one. 100 damage. No, I'm not picking him. Bruh, this guy looks ugly as hell, dude. I wanna look at his ugly face. Please, I wanna evolve. Just die. Die. Just die. I don't wanna be this ugly, pathetic. I hate pigs. I hate pigs. I eat cows, not pigs. Pigs look exactly like humans. What the cringe. The thing I don't like about pigs because they're kind of relatives to our skin color, which I don't like. No, I'm not racist. Shut the hell up. If I was racist, I could have been canceled by now. What next? Is the screen gonna pop up? You have been canceled. Ah! This reminds me of the time when people tried to expose speed. And there we go, and there we go. This is just too easy. Why didn't they add like a boss? Well, I think they did. Which is the flipping polar bear. Come on, dude. I need... Oh my gosh. These nests gives only 150 XP. Wait, the hedgehog gives way more. And it's an instant... Oh. Never mind. They don't give way more. I just combined them. Oh. Yes, yes. What am I getting? A king... I'm pretty sure this is a king cobra. Test report. 100. I think this is way more enough. But let's see if I can kill it without it being damaged. I would say yes. And goodbye, adios. But how far can we make it? So the video has been almost 22 minutes long. Now, hold up. Now it's 22 minutes long. And I've been thinking, how many of these guys can I kill before I die? Number 1. Oh my gosh, I'm taking so much damage. Okay, I don't care. I'm built different. I have proof of that. If you want proof, I will tell you. One time my friend smacked me with a football. Yeah, bro just kicked the ball in my face. And also, that's not the first time that has happened to me. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15, 16. And the 17th one, is coming next year. This is like the time when it says coming soon, and in the end, what coming soon? What coming soon? We have been waiting for 5 million quadrillion, quadrillion years. Also, is it just me, or is learning British kind of a little too easy? No, I'm not from British. Bottle of water. Not war. Yes, I do speak Spanish. And bathroom means loo. Proof. See? I spoke in Spanish when I was like in 5th grade. Like, I'm pretty sure that speaking English and British is like the most easiest. I just saw something flashing. Well, whatever. British, as I was saying, British and English are like the easiest languages to learn because they're like not that hard. Okay, and we have evolved to what? A reindeer? I thought we were gonna fight a reindeer. Anyways, guys, wait, hold up. Let me test the damage. Is it a one shot? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Anyways, guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you liked it. If you did, smash the button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.